Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what you'll send and deciding the service tier. You need the exact weight, dimensions, and declared value. This determines price and insurance. Once done, choose lettermail for documents or express post/priority for speed and tracking. Make sure to check prohibited items and customs forms if shipping outside Canada. Go to a post office counter or the online postage tool, print a label or get a counter receipt, and you're ready for the next step. You now complete the critical paperwork and payment. If international, fill CN22 or CN23 honestly and attach to the parcel. This avoids delays. Once the label is printed, affix it flat and clear and double-check recipient and return addresses. Pay online for discounted rates or at the counter with card or cash. Keep the receipt and tracking number. After payment, hand the parcel to staff or drop it in the appropriate bin. Make sure you receive a confirmation scan. You finish by dropping off and actively monitoring the shipment. Track the item online. Delivery updates and attempts appear in real time, so check twice daily. If you shipped valuable goods, request a signature and insurance. That protects you and provides claim options. If something goes wrong, delay, wrong scan, or missing parcel, call Canada Post customer service with your tracking number and receipt and file an online claim if needed. Persistence pays. Escalate politely if frontline help can't resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.